To transfer USDT from Revolut to Binance, you need to have a Revolut account and a Binance account. First, make sure you have the Binance app or access to the Binance website and the Revolut app on your device. Start by logging into your Revolut account and navigating to the cryptocurrency section. Here you will see the various cryptocurrencies available, including USDT. Click on USDT to view your USDT balance. Next, click on the Send option and select the cryptocurrency you want to send, which in this case is USDT. You will be asked to enter the recipient address. To get the recipient address, log into your Binance account and navigate to the Wallet section. Click on USDT and then click on Deposit. You will see a deposit address, which is a long string of characters. Copy this address and go back to your Revolut account. Paste the address into the recipient address field. Make sure to double-check that the address is correct, as sending cryptocurrency to the wrong address can result in loss of funds. After entering the recipient address, you will be asked to enter the amount of USDT you want to send. Enter the amount and review the transaction details, including the fees and the estimated arrival time. Once you have reviewed the transaction details, confirm the transaction. The USDT will be sent from your Revolut account to your Binance account. It is essential to note that cryptocurrency transactions are irreversible, so make sure to double-check all the transaction details before confirming the transaction. Additionally, be aware of the fees associated with transferring cryptocurrency and the minimum and maximum transaction limits. By following these steps, you can easily transfer USDT from Revolut to Binance. Remember to always prioritize security and be cautious when dealing with cryptocurrency transactions.